Foundation in Securing Computer Evidence is a 4.5-day classroom training course. We need you to already have a good level of IT literacy, but you don't need to have previous digital forensics experience in order to attend. On the course, you'll learn how to secure evidence from removable storage media, including hard disk drives, solid-state drives, and USB storage devices. You'll also get hands-on experience securing data from devices where the storage is built in and can't be removed, such as current MacBook models. As well as lab-based imaging, we'll also teach you on-site live forensic techniques to capture data from RAM, cloud storage, and open encrypted containers. That way, when you're tasked with attending a scene, you can confidently process powered-on devices and leave with the data your case team needs. Most courses are taught in our well-equipped classroom at Boston Lakes on the Cambridgeshire-Bedfordshire border. In the classroom, delegates benefit from access to a dedicated workstation with dual monitors and all the software and hardware they will need. Outside of the classroom, delegates can enjoy the relaxed campus environment at Boston Lakes. Hot or cold lunches are provided as part of the course, along with as much tea and coffee as you need to get you through the day. The Boston Lakes site offers accommodation, as well as a gym, golf course, driving range, restaurant, bar, and even a spa.